Have an important phone call that you want to record and save with a transcript? In this video, I'll show you how to enable call recording on your iPhone and access the recording afterward. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down and tap General, then select Software Update. Make sure your iPhone is running the latest version of iOS, since this feature is only available on newer updates. If an update is available, download and install it before continuing. Once your iPhone is updated, go back to the main settings screen. Tap the search bar at the top, type Phone, and then tap on Phone from the search results. Scroll down until you find Audio Call Recording and tap on it. Now, turn on the toggle to enable call recording on your device. Keep in mind that enabling this setting does not automatically record every phone call. You'll still need to manually start recording whenever you're on a call. To do that, open the phone app and make or answer a call. Once the call is connected, tap More in the bottom corner and then select Call Recording. Your iPhone will play a message informing everyone on the call that the conversation is being recorded. While the call is being recorded, you'll see the recording indicator on your screen. You can let it continue until the call ends, or stop the recording manually if needed. After the call ends, the recording is automatically saved in the Notes app. Open the recording to listen to the audio, view the transcript, and even read a summary of the conversation. You can also share, save, or search through the transcript whenever you need it. And that's it. That's how to record phone calls on your iPhone. If this video helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more quick and easy iPhone tutorials.